Is also known as carbolic acid, and in the phenols we will again be studying about its methods of preparation. We will be studying the methods of preparation in two categories, one in the laboratories and second is for the industrial purposes, because industries need in a larger amount. So phenols is basically the most important industrial solvent also. So in the industries, for the larger production, at the larger production levels, we need the large amount of the phenol, and for that large amount of phenol we cannot use the laboratory methods of production. So we have separate methods for the industrial productions of the phenol. Now in the phenols we will be studying about the nomenclature portion. Then we will be discussing about the methods of preparation of phenols, wherein we will discuss about the laboratory methods as well as the industrial methods. Then we will discuss about the chemical reactions which are being shown by phenols, and the one specific chemical reaction which is being shown by the phenols is the electrophilic substitution reaction, which no doubt is also being shown by haloarenes also. But the conditions of the reactions in case of phenols are slightly different, due to a reason that phenol actually activates the ring to a very higher extent, and that's why we do not get the normal substituted product as a result of the reaction. Therefore, to get the normal substitution products, herein by normal I means mono substitution product, we need to change some of the conditions in the reaction that we will see in this chapter. Then after this electrophilic substitution reactions of the phenol, we will be discussing about the different types of phenolic compounds, as in picric acid, which is known as 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. Again I tell you the same thing, that the objective of this study is to first of all know about the properties of the phenol. Now I said that phenol is the important solvent, or is the most important solvent in the industries. Why is it so? What makes phenol to be so widely used in the industries? So that means it clearly shows that the properties which are being shown by the phenol, they are actually highly favorable for few of the industrial methods of preparation of different commodities. Now again I repeat, the objective is that first of all you should know what is phenol, then you should know how can you prepare it. Then you also again have a question that why are you doing these preparations, why are you doing these reactions. The answer to all these questions is that once you have the knowledge that what kind of a reaction phenol undergoes, or by what method of preparation you can prepare phenol, based on these results you will be able to actually recommend or tell to any industry or to anybody who is asking that what solvent should they use or what should they use for their particular industry in which they want to produce something XYZ. So for recommending anything, you should have the complete knowledge about the different types of the compounds. So for that matter only you are first of all studying this. So once basically at this level of your study you only understand the properties, but the use of it when you come to it, it is actually at your level it is not that very broad. The use of these compounds and application of these compounds in the different kind of industries as in it could be a pharmaceutical industry, it could be a chemical industry, it could be any industry. So what application is there in a particular type of the industry, that that application portion is not at your level. So at your level, first of all, what you are doing, you will be introduced to the properties of this compound, that is phenolic compounds. Then once you know the properties, that means you have the base now to actually recommend or to tell that you can do this way or that way. But that way, you can recommend only after knowing the objective of the person who is asking you, that what he or she do for their particular